If you're seeing this right now, you're the luckiest person alive. Look, I have no captions, I have no hashtags. If you don't want good luck, just keep scrolling. If you do want good luck, hit that plus sign and hit that heart. To lock it in, comment lucky and share and copy link. Trust me guys, this works.
Pop it, 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 pop it.
Ka! Why did I say ka? Let me explain. The person who sent you this video wants you to know you're a sussy bot.